Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. What we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have completed our exercise 4.3. I hope you all have practiced remaining sum in your rub book. Now we will move to the next point, that is conversion of time. Now today we are going to study about conversion of time. Now you may have noticed that many clocks have 3 hands, isn't it? See this clock. Now you can notice in this clock there are 3 hands, okay, in addition to the hour and the minute hand. The third hand moves faster and it is known as a seconds hand. This one, okay, this is what? Seconds hand. The second hand takes 1 minute to go round the clock face once. So it moves very fast than minute and hour. It moves full one round to the clock face to complete 1 minute. Okay. The time taken by the second hand to move from one small division to the next is called a second. Okay. Now see, from this point to this point means 1 second. Are you getting? Yes. So how many seconds are there? Whole. See, how many seconds are there? Total 60 seconds are there. How? See, you can see between this both how many marks are there? 5. In the same way, between both the numbers 5 marks are there. So when we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So it takes, when it completes one round to the clock face, it becomes 60 seconds. Now see this one. Now already you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? So minute hand takes 60 minutes to complete one round and second hand takes 60 seconds to complete one round. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now here you have to keep in your mind that to convert from hours to minute, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 60. And to convert from minute to hours, what we have to do? We have to divide by 60. Just vice versa. Okay? See, I'll repeat again. When you want to convert hours to minute, okay, what you have to do? Multiply by 60. And when you want to convert minutes to hours, then you have to divide by 60. Are you getting? This too. And next, when you want to convert minute to second, again you have to multiply by 60. And if you want to convert seconds into minutes, what you have to do? You have to divide by 60. See, I'll repeat again. Hours to minute means multiply, and minute to hours means division. Are you getting? Hours to minutes multiply by 60 and minutes to hours division by 60. And in the same way, minutes to second, if you want to convert, you have to multiply it by 60. And if you want to convert from seconds to minute, what you have to do? Divide by 60. Is that clear? Yes? Very easy. Okay? This you have to keep in your mind. Now this is the conversion of time. So when you want to convert hours into minute, you have to multiply by 60. Minute to hours, division by 60. Minute to second, multiply by 60. Seconds to minute, divided by 60. Clear? Yes. Now we will see some examples. Now see, first example. Raju takes 2 minutes 30 seconds to swim 100 meter. How many seconds is left? Now see, Raju, one boy, he swims 100 meter in how much time? 2 minutes 30 seconds. So what we have to do, we have to convert this 2 minutes into second. Now already they had given some seconds also, that is 30 seconds. How many seconds is that? So altogether we have to convert minute into second. So 2 minutes is equals to, now when we want to convert minutes to second, what we have to do, students? Of course, multiply by 60. So right here 2 minutes is equals to 2 multiplied by 60 seconds. When we do the multiplication of this, 0 right as it is, 2 6 are 12. So it is together 120 seconds. Now 2 minutes 30 seconds already they had given. Now 2 minutes 30 seconds is equals to, right, 120 second plus 30. Now when we add this both, we get 150 seconds. So what is the answer? How many seconds is that? Total 150 seconds. Clear? Very easy. Now see one more example, then you will understand in better manner. Now Nina takes 2 hours 35 minutes to finish her homework. How many minutes is that? Now see, Nina every day she does her homework in 2 hours 35 minutes. She takes that much time. But here the question is, we have to convert this hours, 2 hours into minutes only. So together how many minutes she takes to finish her homework, we have to find out. And with hours they had given some minutes also. This we have to add. Now first we will convert hours into minute. Now try to recall your memory, what we have to do to convert hours into minute. Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, very good. Of course, multiply, isn't it? So 2 hours is equals to 2 multiplied by 60 minutes. So when we multiply, 6 as it is, 2 6 are 12. So it is together 120 minutes. And the question is, here we have not completed. Already they had given some minutes also. We have to add those minutes also. So write again 2 hours 35 minutes is equals to 120 minutes of 2 hours plus 35 minutes whatever they had given already. Now when we add this both number together, we get answer 155 minutes. So how many minutes is that? 155 minutes. Clear? Yes, very good. Two more examples are here. We will solve. See third question. Convert 450 minutes into hours and minutes. Now they had given minutes. Now what we have done? They had given hours, we have converted into minutes. Now they had given minutes. Now we have to convert into hours. Now first you know that 60 minutes means 1 hour. Now when you want to convert minutes into hours, what we have to do? Yes, of course we have to divide by 60, isn't it? So 450 minutes is equals to 450 divided by 60. Now we will do the division. Now see, 450 division by 60. So we will find out this 0 0 we will remove. Now see, in 6 table 45 is there. Yes, what is less than that? 45 is not there. So what is less than that? Yes, 6 7s are 42. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 4 is 0. isn't it? So this is what? Yes, this is remainder, but here we have not taken 0 0, so we have to, if I keep here also 60 sevens are 420, so it become 30 will be remainder. Okay, so how many minutes? See, 450 division by 60 gives quotient 7 and remainder has a 30. So it is together 450 minutes is equals to quotient will be hours and remainder will be minutes. So it becomes 7 hours and 30 minutes. Clear? Very good. Now last example. See, here we have to solve this question. Now convert 450 seconds to minutes. Now to convert seconds into minute, what we have to do, students? Yes, of course, again we have to divide by 60 only, isn't it? So the given information is 450 seconds, isn't it? So 450 we have to convert into minutes. So 450 divided by 60. Just now we have done in the same way, same quotient and same remainder will be there. So 450 divided by 60 gives quotient how much? 7, and the remainder is 30, and 450 seconds is equals to, then how much it is? 7 minutes. See, we are converting into minutes. 7 minutes 30 seconds, and so it is together how much? Here 7 and 30. So what is the final answer we have to write? Again same, 7 minutes 30 seconds. So after this episode you will solve this question in textbook itself by your own. Okay, clear? Yes. Now we will solve our exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4, first question. See, what is the question? Hema takes 3 minutes 35 seconds to skip 200 times. You know skipping na? Yes, दोरीवरच्या उड्या we say, isn't it? So the girl Hema, she skips 200 times in 3 minutes and 35 seconds. So how many seconds is that? Now they had given some minutes and seconds, but here we have to convert into seconds only. So try to recall your memory what we have to do. When you want to convert minutes into seconds, what we have to do? Yes, of course, we have to multiply by 60, isn't it? Why? Because 1 minute is equals to how much? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, isn't it? So 3 minutes is equals to 3 minutes is equals to 3 multiplied by 60. So write 0 as it is. 3 6 are 18. So 3 minutes means how many seconds? 180 seconds. But here they had given 3 minutes and 35 seconds. So write here again 3 minutes 35 seconds. 3 minutes means 180 plus 35 seconds we have to add. Now do both the addition as a rough work. 0 plus 5 5, 8 plus 3, yes, tell me, 11, carry 1 2. So what is the answer here? 215 seconds. So what is the answer? How many seconds is that? Yes, total. So write your answer 215 seconds. Clear? Very easy. Yes, I'll repeat once again. See, Hema takes 3 minutes 35 seconds to skip 200 times. So how many seconds is that? See, we have to find out how many seconds in total she takes to skip 200 times. So they had given 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 35 seconds no need to convert, we have to add. This we have to convert into seconds. So when you convert minutes into second, what we have to do? Multiplied by 60. So I have done same. So I have written 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 3 minutes is equals to 3 multiplied by 60. So when you multiply 3 multiplied by 60, we get 180 seconds. But here it is not completed. We have to add 35 seconds also. So I have written this both together. 3 minutes 35 seconds. So 3 minutes means 180 and 35 as it is. So do the rough work of the addition. 180 plus 35. So we get 215 seconds. So what is the answer? 215 seconds. Clear? Very good. In the same way, second example is there. So you are going to solve by your own. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in Google Meet. Now, third question we will solve. What is the third question? Convert into minutes. First one we will solve. 5 hours. See, they had given hours. Now when you want to convert hours into minute, what we have to do? Yes, tell me. Of course, we have to multiply by 60. First, when they had given 5 hours, so 1 hour is equals to how much, students? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 5 hours is equals to 5 multiplied by 60. Are you getting? They had given hours. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. You know this. So 5 hours is equals to, we have to multiply by minutes. That is 60. 5 multiplied by 60. Because we have to convert into minutes. So 0 right as it is. 5 6 are 30. So this is what? 300 minutes. So write once again here properly. 5 hours is equals to 300 minutes. And make one box with pencil. See, in maths your presentation is very important. Now next, I'll solve some more examples for you. Now I will take third one for you. See the third one, 24 hours. Same as we have solved first one, in the same way we have to solve third one also. They had given hours. So first, you know, whatever information you know, you have to write first. That is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? So in the same way, 24 hours is equals to 24 multiplied by 60. Now see, 0, underline, write as it is. Now do the rough work because 2 digit is there. 24 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are, yes, tell me. 24. 6 2s are, yes, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So what is the answer here? 144. But together 1440 minutes. This is what? Minutes. So write once again, 24 hours is equals to 1440 minutes, and do the bracket. Okay, clear? Yes. Next example. The fifth one I will take. 10 hours 30 minutes. 10 hours 30 minutes. Now see, in this question they had given some minutes also. Don't be confused. We have to convert this number, this hours into minutes, but here they had given some minutes, so no need to worry. Just we have to add those minutes. First, given whatever we know, we have to write that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. In the same way, 10 hours is equals to 10 multiplied by 60. When 0 zeros are there, underline. How many times are there? Write 2 times. 1 6 are 6. This is 10 hours we have converted into minutes. Now we have to convert 10 hours and 30 minutes also. So 10 hours 30 minutes is equals to 10 hours means 600 minutes and just add 30. Now do the addition, write properly. If you write in this way, the sum will go wrong. So see the unit place, start writing from units place only. 0 here, 3 here. Now do the addition. 0 plus 3, 3, 6 as it is. 630. What is the answer here? 630. So once again, write here 10 hours 30 minutes is equals to 630 minutes. Do the bracket. Clear? Yes? Very easy. Now last one more example I will solve for you. Now I will solve 8th one for you. Five hours same 30 minutes. Just now we have solved 5th question. In the same way we have to solve, students, this one also. See, 5 hours we have to convert into minutes, and the given 30 minutes we have to add into 5 hours minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 5 hours is equals to 5 multiplied by 60. 0 write as it is. 5 6 are 30. So write here 30. So this is what 5 hours we have converted into minutes, that is 300 minutes. But here the answer is not over. They had given 5 hours and 30 minutes. So write again 5 hours 30 minute. MIN full stop is shortcut of minute. So 5 hours means 300 plus 30 minutes as it is. Do the rough work of the addition. 300 plus 30, 033. The answer is 330 minutes. So write once again 5 hours 30 minutes is equals to 330 minutes. Into the bracket with pencil and scale. Okay, clear? Is that clear? Very good. Now we will solve fourth question. In exercise 4.4, fourth question is convert into seconds. Just now we have converted into minutes, now we have to convert into seconds. In that first one I will solve for you. 5 minutes. Now they had given minutes. We have to convert into seconds. Okay. Now try to recall your memory what we have to do. When you want to convert minutes into seconds, we have to multiply it by 60. But we have studied that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So in the same way, 5 minutes is equals to 5 multiplied by 60. So 0 as it is, 5 6 are 30. This is what? Answer. Answer of 5 minutes. 5 minutes is equals to 300 seconds. Clear? Do the bracket with scale and pencil. Now next example. I'll solve second one only. 60 minutes. See? 60 minutes. Now you know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So in the same way, 60 minutes is equals to what we have to do? Multiplied by 60. 60 multiplied by 60. See how much easy? 0 0, write 2 times 0 0. 6 6 are 36. So how many seconds are there in 60 minutes? 3600. So write once again here. 60 minutes is equals to 3600 seconds. And do the bracket. Okay, clear? Now it's time to wind up our today's session. Now we have solved exercise 4.1, first one. Second one is home assignment for you. You try. Definitely I know that you will solve. And in third one I have solved 4 questions among 8. You are going to solve remaining 4 in your rub book. Now I have solved 4th question 1 and 2. The remaining is home assignment for you. Try to solve by your own in the rub book, and in next episode cross check your answers along with me. And remaining examples I am going to solve in next episode. So what we have studied today? Conversion of time. So when you want to convert hours into minute, you have to multiply by 60, and minutes into hours divided by 60. When you want to convert minutes into seconds, you have to multiply by 60, and seconds into minutes you have to divide by 60. Clear? Keep in your mind these 4 things. With this 4 important tips you can solve this full exercise very perfectly. Okay, bye everyone, take care and thank you.